Honestly, when you're coming from a low-income neighborhood, low-income family, you have no idea how to invest in stocks and index funds, but that is not an excuse to not learn it. Do not let history repeat itself. Do your research and invest, guys. Invest. So check this out. You have money saved up and you want to start investing your money. You just don't want your money to sit in a bank account doing nothing. Literally, banks do not work for us. They're more for themselves. You're literally putting your money in the bank so that the banks can use your money to loan it to other people. That's not making us money. This is not going to allow our money to multiply. So that is why I created this video, to help you guys as a beginner and just tell you guys a few tips on ways and places that you can invest your money so that your money is working for you. So of course, having money saved up in the bank is such an amazing thing. It's an amazing feeling. You have a sense of stability, but that money just sitting there is not going to work for you. So this is exactly what you need to do. Okay guys, so the first type of investing we're going to be talking about today is going to be a passive way of investing. So you're literally going to be able to put money in an account and just leave it there and let it stack up on its own. So there are a lot of S&P 500 index funds. Just in case you guys are wondering what a S&P index fund is. So there are a lot of index funds, specifically S&P 500 index funds. So to find these funds, you are going to go through an online brokerage. That sounds crazy, right? An online brokerage, like what the heck is that? It's literally just a fancy way of saying a website, an online website platform that is going to host this whole thing for you. When choosing an online brokerage, you want to make sure that you're going with a really good website that is easy to navigate. And it also has low fees, but also have a good variety of different index funds. When signing up for these websites, they are going to charge you a fee. This fee is usually from $5 to $10 per trade, and this is on top of what you're paying for that trade. So that being said, here are 3 online websites that you guys can look further into and do your research so you can figure out which online website you want to work with. So for the sake of this video, I wanted to write down the fees of each website. So the first one is going to be Charles Schwab, and they have a 0.2% fee for the index fund. The second website is going to be Vanguard, which is the website that I actually use for my index funds, and they have a fee of 0.4%. So the third one is going to be Fidelity, and 0% index fund fee. They also have $0 on their trade commission, and this one only offers 4 different index funds, which sucks. So that's why I would definitely recommend you guys Vanguard. Now that we have spoken about index funds, as you guys know, index funds is you place the money in there, you leave it, and over time, within a few years, the money starts to multiply. Sure, a lot of you guys have heard about investing in stocks. I feel like it's a new wave, especially on social media. Once something trends, then everybody posts about it, and then you want to invest in stocks, or you've tried to invest in stocks, but you just don't know how to do it. Before you invest in stocks, I just want you guys to know that stocks is more of a risky way of investing. Sometimes stocks go down, sometimes they go up. It's not very consistent, and that can be very scary, and this is why it's more risky. Stocks, they have so many different platforms. I'm not going to sit here and try to name all of them. I am going to tell you guys which platform I use to invest in the stocks that I have. And my husband also uses this same platform, and that is going to be Robinhood. Since we love Robinhood so much, you guys know I have to have some type of sign up link code for you guys. So I do have a code linked in the description. I'll also attach it on screen, where if you guys sign up, you get your first stock for free, which is an amazing thing because you might not know where to start. And as for choosing your stocks, I would definitely recommend doing your research. And the best way to start is to actually invest in a stock of products that you actually use. Like my phone is Apple, my computers are Apple. Literally, we live in an Apple house, Apple Watch. So of course, guess what I invested in? Apple, because I'm actually putting my money in Apple all the time. So I invested in Apple. If you like Microsoft, invest in that. I also have Tesla stocks. Invest in things that you actually like in your daily life. So guys, that's pretty much it. I don't want to overwhelm you guys with so much information. I definitely recommend you guys to look into index funds, Vanguard to be specific. That's the website that I use. And also if you are trying to invest in stocks, as everybody else is, definitely use Robinhood. I love their platform. I've never had any problems. It's so easy for me to load my account and add cash and be able to invest in stocks. And I love how I can see the total amount of money that I've made from investing. So definitely check out Robinhood. And to end this video, I would definitely say as a additive to look more into investing into crypto and NFT. So I do have a small amount of crypto, but I would definitely recommend doing your research in the type of coin that you want to invest in and which platform you're going to be using to invest in crypto, because everything is different. I feel like crypto is so much more advanced. If you're a beginner and you just want to put your money somewhere to make money, definitely check out index funds and regular stocks. Guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video beneficial. Let me know in the comments which ones you are interested in, the stocks or the index funds. I personally love both of them. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.